Welcome to another Simple Dad TikTok tutorial. In this video, I'll show you how to create the wedding filter trend video on TikTok. If you're new on the channel and you want to find out more about your iPhone, your Android phone, or any of the social media apps, then go ahead and hit that subscribe button to become a part of the Simple Dad community. Hit the like button if you find this video useful. So as you can see, this is trending on TikTok where users are posing themselves as a bride, where users are posting a photo of themselves first, and then the next photo or video of themselves in a bride's dress. So let me show you how to create this video trend on TikTok using your phone. So to create this video trend, you'll need an app called FacePlay. So go to your App Store or your Google Play Store and go ahead and download it. Once it is downloaded, go ahead and open the app. The app will ask you to subscribe to its feature. However, you can just press the X and continue forward. Now on the front page here, you're looking for wedding dress, which will be just here in the subtopics. So go ahead and scroll through these videos. You're looking for the ones that don't have a diamond next to it at the top right. So those are free to use. So once you see it, go ahead and tap on the one that you want to use. Now once you're happy, go ahead and tap on free to use. Now you want to go ahead and tap on add face. Choose from album. Now go ahead and give FacePlay app access to your photo album. Once you've done that, go ahead and select a photo from your photo album. It'll detect the face and then press confirm. Then tap on start making at the bottom. This will now start to create the video using the face which you have chosen. And as you can see, using AI, it has taken the face from the photo and pasted it in the video. Now, if you're happy with that, go ahead and tap on save, and it will export the video and save it into your camera roll. Now, once that's done, you want to go back to TikTok, and here you want to go ahead and search for wedding filter. In the search results, you're looking for those videos that are doing the trend. For example, this one here, this one here. Within those videos, you're looking for CapCut, try this template. Go ahead and tap on that. This will now show you the template. Go ahead and tap on use template in CapCut. Then tap on use template. Now here, you want to first select the video which you have created using the FacePlay app, which is this. Next, you want to choose your before photo, which was this. Then tap on preview. And as you can see, it shows the person first, and then it transitions into a bride. So once you're happy, tap on export here at the top right, then tap on save and share, and this will automatically export the video to TikTok. Now you can go ahead and add your filters, or any sound, any effects, and then text, and then post this video to TikTok. So there you go, that is how to create the wedding filter trend video on TikTok. If this video is helpful, then please subscribe to see more videos like this. If you have any other questions, then please do let me know in the comment section down below. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.